Today I am reviewing the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a compact machine that can handle serious workloads while still offering gaming capability, the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC is a strong contender worth your attention. This mini PC is designed to deliver a balance of performance, efficiency, and modern connectivity, all packed into a small form factor that fits easily on any desk. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 7640HS processor, which is part of AMD's powerful Phoenix architecture. This CPU features 6 cores and 12 threads, with clock speeds that can boost up to 5.0 GHz. What makes this chip stand out is its efficiency combined with strong performance. Compared to older chips like the Ryzen 7640HS, this processor delivers significantly improved performance while consuming less power. That means you get faster responsiveness, smoother multitasking, and better overall efficiency in everyday use. In practical terms, this mini PC handles a wide variety of tasks with ease. Whether you're working on office applications, managing multiple browser tabs, running coding environments, or even handling light video editing, the system stays responsive and stable. It's built for users who need reliability and speed without the bulk of a traditional desktop. One of the key highlights of the GMKtec M6 Ultra is its 32GB of DDR5 RAM. DDR5 memory offers faster speeds and better bandwidth compared to previous generations, which directly improves multitasking performance. With 32 GB installed in a dual-channel configuration, you can run multiple demanding applications simultaneously without slowdowns. The system also supports expansion up to 128 GB, which makes it highly future-proof for users who may need more memory down the line. Storage is another strong point. The mini PC comes with a 512 GB PCIe SSD, which ensures fast boot times and quick application loading. In addition, the system supports expansion up to large-capacity SSDs, allowing you to scale your storage depending on your needs. This flexibility is ideal for users working with large files, media libraries, or software development projects. For graphics performance, the system uses the integrated Radeon 760M GPU, which is based on AMD's Radeon architecture. While this is not a dedicated gaming GPU, it is powerful enough to handle moderate gaming at stable frame rates. You can enjoy popular esports titles and older games smoothly, and it also supports modern video codecs like AV1, HEVC, and AVC for efficient video playback and encoding. This makes it a great option for both casual gaming and multimedia use. Cooling and thermal performance are important in compact systems, and the M6 Ultra is designed with efficient heat management to maintain stable performance during extended workloads. This ensures that the CPU can sustain high performance without significant throttling, which is especially important for productivity and long sessions of use. One of the standout features of this mini PC is its support for triple display output. You can connect up to 3 monitors simultaneously, including 4K displays via HDMI and DisplayPort, and even 8K output through USB 4. This creates an expansive workspace that is perfect for multitasking, trading setups, coding environments, or content creation workflows. Having multiple displays significantly enhances productivity and makes multitasking much more efficient. Connectivity is another area where the M6 Ultra excels. It includes a wide range of ports such as USB 4.0, USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The inclusion of USB 4 is especially important as it allows high-speed data transfer, display output, and even power delivery, making this mini PC highly versatile for modern setups. In terms of networking, this system includes dual 2.5GB LAN ports, which provide extremely fast wired internet speeds up to 2,500 megabits per second. This is a huge advantage for users who need stable and high-speed connections, such as gamers, streamers, or those running servers in network configurations like pfSense or Untangle. Combined with Wi-Fi 6, you also get fast and low-latency wireless connectivity, ensuring smooth online performance whether you're streaming, gaming, or working remotely. Bluetooth 5.2 is also included, allowing you to connect wireless peripherals like keyboards, mice, headphones, and other accessories with ease. This adds to the overall convenience and clean setup that a mini PC offers. Despite its powerful hardware, the M6 Ultra maintains a compact and minimal design. It takes up very little space, making it perfect for small desks, home offices, or even as a portable computing solution. You can also mount it behind a monitor using VESA mounting, helping you achieve a clean and clutter-free workspace. Another important aspect is reliability and support. GMKtec provides a 1-year warranty, along with customer support to help resolve any issues that may arise. This gives users peace of mind when investing in this system. In everyday use, the GMKtec M6 Ultra feels fast, responsive, and capable. It handles productivity tasks effortlessly, performs well in multitasking environments, and even delivers respectable gaming performance for a system of its size. While it may not replace a high-end dedicated gaming PC, it offers an impressive balance of power and efficiency that makes it suitable for a wide range of users. Overall, the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful system. It combines a modern AMD Ryzen processor, fast DDR5 memory, expandable storage, strong connectivity, and multi-display support into a sleek and efficient package. Whether you're a professional, student, gamer, or someone who simply wants a space-saving desktop alternative, this mini PC delivers strong performance and excellent value.